Hello everyone. So I'm using this cookbook again. I'm doing the exact same recipe as when I did the low carb sponge cake. So I'm not going to show everything, just the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a teaspoon instant coffee. I must have forgotten to remove that arrow. And right now I'm getting vanilla because I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla to the coffee. And in the bowl, and I put a rag down, there goes the ricotta cheese and the sweetener that I can't pronounce the name of. Or just whisk it together. I did decide to whisk it a little longer this time, try and get more fluffy. Now for the eggs. It's weird, last time I made this, every egg made it brighter or dark, more yellow. Didn't seem to happen this time. At least with the last one. Okay, now for the cocoa powder, I added half first and then decided to just dump the rest of it in. I think it would have been better if I'd actually mixed in with the nut flour. As you can see, there's some clumps. And yeah, that looks like chocolate pudding. So now I'm adding the coffee and vanilla, which are liquefied, baking powder, salt, nut flour. Mix that together. Scrape the bowl. And then remember, I forgot to add the butter. So mix that in now. A little harder because it started to thicken up. Alright, so I decided to do cupcakes this time. Not sure if this is enough liners, but let's see. Scoop them out, get it all over. Don't need more liners, so there we go. And I had to scrape the bowl to try and get enough for this one. So this better end up making 12 cupcakes, which would make 2 serving since the cake made 6. Into the oven for the same temperature, which was 320. It took, that's wrong, it took 30 minutes, not 20. Okay, let them cool, and there they are. Let's try them. Yeah, they're chocolatey and a little soft. They actually are better the next day. Thanks for watching.